How to get and use Stubhub promo code. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Well, if you're using your iOS device, you can simply head over to Safari, or you can move into Google Chrome if you're using Android device. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Stubhub promo code 2024. It will be landing you on this page. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. Head over to any of the sites from here. Let me move into this one. Click on it. It will land you on the official page of coupon code. In this page, you will be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. Select the specific offer that you see and then click on it. Well, the promo code has appeared on your screen. All you want to do is copy this promo code. Now, in order to use this promo code, tap on Redeem at Stubhub. It will be landing you on the official page of Stubhub. Now, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. After that, at the time of purchasing any of the product, you can enter this promo code. And if the promo code is valid, then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get or use Stubhub promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.